Want to block websites on your iPhone 16 or earlier iPhones? Whether you're a parent, setting up restrictions, or just want to avoid distractions, I'll show you how to block specific sites step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Next, scroll the screen to tap on Screen Time. This is where all the parental controls and restrictions are managed. Step 3. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is your first time using Screen Time, you may need to enable it and set a passcode. Step 4. Now, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games to customize your settings. Step 5. On this screen, go for Web Content and tap it. Here, you'll see options for controlling what websites can be accessed. Step 6. Click on the Limit Adult Websites option, so the Add Website button will appear. Step 7. Choose Limit Adult Websites to enable website filtering. Now, to block a specific website, tap Add Website under the Never Allow section. For this example, let's block www.example.com. Type in the URL and hit Done to save. So the settings are saved, and the user tries accessing the blocked website in Safari. A restriction message appears. Once saved, the site will be blocked across all browsers on your iPhone. If someone tries to visit it, they'll see this restriction message. For example, I'm looking for example.com on Safari. Come like this. You cannot browse this page at domain name because it is restricted. So guys, on this screen, a quick overview of adding or removing websites is shown. You can always add more sites to the block list by repeating these steps, or remove them by swiping left and tapping Delete. And that's it. Blocking websites on your iPhone is that simple. Perfect for keeping distractions away or ensuring a safer browsing experience for your kids. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.